Best things to do in Las Vegas. Las Vegas, where every corner feels like a movie scene. Whether you're here for the nightlife, world-class entertainment, or outdoor adventures, this city has it all. In this video, I'll take you through the ultimate guide to the best things to do in Las Vegas. So, stick around to plan your dream trip and uncover tips only the locals know. Let's dive in! Section 1. The iconic Las Vegas Strip. The Las Vegas Strip is the beating heart of the city, a place where excitement and luxury collide in a grand display. Spanning 4.2 miles of neon lights, stunning architecture, and world-renowned resorts, the Strip has become synonymous with the Las Vegas experience. It's home to some of the most iconic hotels, casinos, restaurants, and attractions. Let's take a closer look at the must-see highlights you can't miss. Fountains of Bellagio. Start your journey with the spectacular Fountains of Bellagio, one of the most iconic landmarks in Las Vegas. This choreographed water show takes place in the large lake in front of the Bellagio Hotel and is set to a music playlist ranging from classical masterpieces to modern pop hits, creating a truly magical atmosphere. Why it's a must-see. The fountain's synchronized movements are incredibly impressive, and the fact that it's free makes it even more appealing. The water jets shoot as high as 460 feet into the air, creating a breathtaking spectacle. Best time to visit. To get the most magical experience, try to visit around sunset or during the evening when the fountains are beautifully illuminated, especially with the Bellagio's grand architecture glowing in the background. Caesar's Palace and the Forum Shops. Why it's a must-see. As you wander through the Forum Shops, you'll experience not just a shopping mall but a blend of art, architecture, and retail therapy. The ceilings are designed to mimic the sky, giving you the sensation of walking through an open-air plaza. Must-do. Beyond shopping at luxury stores like Louis Vuitton, Gucci, or Versace, stop and admire the artwork, or enjoy the jewel-like ceiling with its simulated sky, which gives the entire space a majestic feel. The High Roller Observation Wheel. Want to see the city from a new perspective? Head to the High Roller, the world's tallest observation wheel at the LINQ, for panoramic views of Las Vegas. Why it's a must-do. Standing at a towering 550 feet, the High Roller gives you a 360-degree view of the city, including the Strip, downtown Las Vegas, and even the surrounding desert landscape. The cabins are spacious, and some feature a bar for a one-of-a-kind happy hour experience while you're soaring above the city. Best time to visit. The experience is mesmerizing at night when the lights of the Strip come alive below, offering an unforgettable view of Las Vegas' neon glow. Paris, Las Vegas, and the Venetian. Next, let's take a trip to Europe, without leaving the Strip. At Paris, Las Vegas, you'll be greeted by a stunning replica of the Eiffel Tower, offering sweeping views of the Strip. Why it's a must-see. The Eiffel Tower replica at Paris, Las Vegas stands half the height of the original, but the views it offers are just as spectacular. From here, you can capture an amazing panoramic shot of the Strip below. For a romantic experience, the observation deck is particularly beautiful at sunset, providing you with a great opportunity to capture some incredible photos. If you're looking for romance, this is the perfect spot to pop a question or just enjoy the scenic city views. At the Venetian, you'll be transported to Venice, Italy, complete with gondola rides through indoor canals. Why it's a must-see. Experience Italy's famous canals as you glide through the Venetian's stunning interior, under sky-painted ceilings. Gondoliers serenade you as you travel down the canal, adding a special touch to this iconic experience. Best time to visit. The gondola rides are equally magical whether you go during the day or at night, with the twinkling lights reflecting off the water and creating a dreamy atmosphere. These iconic spots on the Las Vegas Strip form the perfect introduction to this vibrant city. Las Vegas isn't just about flashy casinos and high-end resorts. Beyond the Strip, you'll find a treasure trove of hidden gems, experiences that'll give you a deeper connection to this vibrant city. Let's explore some offbeat adventures. Fremont Street Experience. Start your Offbeat Vegas journey in downtown Las Vegas at Fremont Street. Known for its retro vibe and old-school charm, this is where the city's roots truly shine. One of the most popular attractions is the Viva Vision Light Show. It's the world's largest video screen, stretching nearly 5 blocks. Neon Museum. Next, let's dive into Las Vegas history at the Neon Museum. If you've ever wondered where all the legendary neon signs go when they retire, this is where they live on. The museum's outdoor exhibit, known as the Boneyard, is a collection of vintage signs from famous Vegas hotels, casinos, and businesses. Container Park. For a quirky, artsy experience, head over to Container Park in downtown Las Vegas. This unique spot is built from repurposed shipping containers and is a great place to spend a few hours shopping, dining, and enjoying live music. Helicopter tours. For an unforgettable experience, take to the skies on a helicopter tour over the Strip. There's nothing quite like seeing the dazzling lights of Las Vegas from above, with the neon glow of the city reflecting off the desert landscape. Food and drink scene. Let's talk about food. Vegas is a culinary playground, offering everything from quick street eats to Michelin-starred dining experiences. 1. The legendary buffets. Las Vegas is famous for its all-you-can-eat buffets, and no trip to Vegas is complete without indulging in one. Bacchanal Buffet at Caesar's Palace is the star of them all, offering over 500 dishes to choose from. 2. Secret bars and speakeasies. Vegas has a great reputation for its secret bars and speakeasies. These hidden gems are perfect for those who want to sip a cocktail in a more intimate and exclusive setting. 3. Celebrity chef restaurants. If you're a fan of celebrity chefs, you're in for a treat. Las Vegas has numerous restaurants owned by culinary legends, offering top-tier dining experiences. 4. Food trucks and local eateries. While Vegas is home to incredible fine dining, you can't overlook the incredible street food scene. Food trucks are a big deal here, serving up everything from tacos to gourmet hot dogs. From the glitz of the Strip to the serene beauty of the canyons, Las Vegas truly has something for everyone. Your ultimate adventure awaits. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this guide, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let me know your favorite Vegas spot in the comments below. See you in the next video.